Hello and welcome to Sabwat TV. So today on Sabwat TV, we are still on the Venn diagram in Baffour series. The questions, the exercise questions on the Baffour series page. It is at page 25 in Baffour series under the topic Venn diagram. Now, before we start, I would like to wish you all a happy new year and a prosperous one. This year, we'll be running a little bit. We'll be posting content here and there, more lessons, more subjects, and more topics. We are not stopping this year. Now, the question we have is a survey of 200 students in the school was found in the school. It was found out that 200 study maths, 90 study physics, and 70 study chemistry, 40 study maths and physics, 30 study physics and chemistry, 50 study chemistry and maths, and 20 study none of the three subjects. Find the number of students who study all the three subjects. This is very, very, very simple. The most important thing is how to represent them on the Venn diagram. Now, I'm using this colors to represent the Venn diagram so that we understand it very, very clear. So that if I mention color red, we know that color red is for this particular subject, green is for that, and the blue is also for a different subject altogether. Now, before we continue, I would like you to smash the subscribe icon and also click on the notification icon so that anytime I post a video to learn, you'll be the first to know and we learn together. Now, let's get straight into it. Now, before we start solving, I wouldn't write the prelims, like I wouldn't write the let this be done, let this be done. We assume and we presume that we know that already. So let's go straight to the point. Now we have our union to be 200. That is the number of students in the school. So the rest circle will be for math. So math. And the total for maths is 120. So we have it here. Now 90 study physics. So let's use the green for physics. So P, that's giving us 90. And chemistry, C is also giving us 70. Now we are also told that 40 study maths and physics. So this is math. So maths and physics is green and red. Green and red. Maths is red and physics is green. So green and red. So where circle is formed by green and red. Yes. So this one, right? This one. Though blue is part, the blue is not part. The blue is forming in the circle in the center. Okay. So 40 is maths and physics. So that 40 will come here. Then they are saying that 30 study physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry, 30, that one will also come here. And 50 study chemistry and maths. So 50 will also come here. All right, so we are also told that 20 study none of the subjects. So that 20 will be somewhere here. Let's put it there. That 20 cannot be in any side of the circle because the green circle is for physics, the red circle is for maths, and the physics circle is blue. So it can't be in any of these circles. So it will be outside the circle, but in the school or in the class, right? Okay. Now the to find the number of people who study all the three subjects. So all the three subjects, it's here. So we can put a variable here. So we can put either x, y, what have you, but the most common in x, right? So let's put x here. Now let's come here. So now this side will be 90 minus x. This side will be 70 minus x. And this side will be 120 minus x. Now we are about to add everything we see in the circle and equate it to 200. So that is where our answer will start solving from. So now let's pick the red circle first. The red circle has 120 minus x plus 50 plus x plus 40. That is everything in the red circle. So we will add this, and that. We will add this one. We will add this and that to it. Then that we are done with everything in the circle. So plus 70 minus x plus 30 plus 90 minus x plus the 20 outside here. We'll also add that one. Then we equate everything to 200. Then we solve for x. Now this x here. Now the x we have here and the x we have here will subtract this minus and this plus. So it will subtract itself and that will be 0. So now let's do the numbers. Now 120 plus 50 will give us 170. 170 plus 40 will give you 210. 210 plus 70 will give us 280. 280 plus 30 will give you 310. 310 plus 90 will give us 400, plus 20 will give us 420. So we're going to get 420. 420. Now with the x, we have minus s and minus s. So we're going to get minus 2x being equal to 200. Then we're going to get minus 2s being equal to 200 minus 420. So we're going to get minus 2x being equal to, now 200 minus 4, 200 minus 420 is going to give us 180, right? Minus 180. So we divide here by minus 2, then we divide here by minus 2. Then we're going to get x being equal to minus 180 over 2 minus 2, and our final answer is going to be 90. So it means that 90 students studied all the 3 subjects. So simple like that. So simple like that. So simple like that. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This question is very, very simple like that. So we are done with this question. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe.